and Bev are on their way. They're gonna have a magical day. Nature's wonders waiting there. New discoveries everywhere. Garth and Bev are on the case. Around the case, around the case. Nature's clues are every place. Solving things is what they do. Come on, come on, come with us too. Till you see what happens. Garth and Bev, you're gonna love what happens.
Don't worry, Morc. We'll be careful with your boat.
She's not just any boat, Garth. She's my best boat.
Indeed, she is a fine craft, Morc. We'll look after her.
Yes, just stay in the calm water. And mind the rocks.
Let's go!
Thank you, Morc. We shall return it in perfect condition.
Yay! A picnic on the river.
You're a bit close to the bank. Careful!
Just think. Without the river, we wouldn't have water to drink or anywhere to wash.
Or anywhere to go in Morc's boat. Garth, stop it! Oops. Sorry, Grandfather Lir.
Oh, that's enough splashing. Now, you two, tie up the boat using the granny knot I showed you. And if you can discover something new about the river today, you might be in for a little treat.
A trip through the time spiral? Can we travel to another time and place?
We shall have to wait and see.
Knots have funny names. Granny knot. I wonder if there's a grandfather knot too. Now, hold your finger here while I loop this over. That's not how you do it. Is 2. Look, it's holding 5. I think I should have tied that knot, Garth. You can't even tie up your hair without Mum's help. Yes, I can.
Picnic's ready. Stop, thief! Return that loaf at once!
Wow! Garth, that's not funny. See, there's nothing wrong with my knots. They'll never come undone. Oh no, the boat! You should have held your finger where I told you to. Me? You should have pulled that loop tighter.
Oh, don't now be reasonable, my funny little friend. Well, this calls for a change of tactics.
Garth, we need to do something. I know, a lasso. Where's it gone? It's vanished. What will we tell Morc? I don't know. He's going to be really cross. Hey, do you hear that?
Shh. I do hope Lir is looking after my beautiful little boat hide. Lir, I'd be more worried about those grandchildren of his. Garth, Bev, how goes it? You look like you've lost something.
Hi, Morc. Wait, have you seen our picnic basket? It's fell over the edge of the waterfall.
Then you'll never get it back. The water sprites in the waterfall will have gobbled it up.
Garth, do you think the water sprites ate Morc's boat? No, Bev. If there were such things as water sprites, Grandfather Lir would have told us about them. Water sprites, can we please have our boat back? What are you doing? Water sprites don't exist. We need another plan, and fast.
So we are agreed then. A handful of these delicious hazelnuts in exchange for my loaf of bread. A pleasure doing business with you. Now, I wonder how Garth and Bev are getting on.
Well, that didn't work. I knew there weren't any water sprites. The waterfall must have something to do with it. Wait here. Bev, keep watch. What happened? Did you see the apple? I saw it, but then it just vanished. Oh, great. Just like Morc's boat. And we haven't discovered anything new. We'd better go tell Grandfather Lir what's happened. Look! Come on! Wow! How did it get all the way down here? I didn't see it float past after it fell down the waterfall. That's it! The waterfall must have somehow pushed the apple all the way down the river. And the boat, too! Oh, that waterfall is very strong then. Let's go and look. Phew! We'd better tie it up properly this time.
I knew you'd work it out.
Grandfather Lir, we lost the boat, but it's all right. We found it. The waterfall washed it all the way down here.
So, you discovered something new. Time for a little treat, I think.
Yay! The time spiral!
In another time and place, you'll meet with someone face to face. They've discovered something new and solved a problem, just like you.
Hurrah! It works! It really works! I shall write a poem about my new toilet. Gadzooks! What malfunction of my device is this?
I'm Garth, and this is my sister Bev. We're just visiting.
Where are my manners? Sir John Harrington, at your service. And this is my new invention, the flush toilet.
One cannot wait all day, you know.
Yes, Godmother. Oh, I mean, Your Majesty.
Who's that?
That's the Queen. It's her new toilet.
What does this do?
One moment, Your Majesty. I just need to adjust the flush.
But what's it for?
Right. Well, up until now, there's only been one way to get rid of one's... well, you know what. It was a very messy business. So I thought how nice it would be if all of this could be just flushed away. That gives me an idea. The idea struck me that falling water was the solution. The higher I poured from, the greater the flush.
Hey, maybe that's why the waterfall could flush the boat so far away.
Godson! One needs the loo this instant!
Well, thanks for showing us. We've got to go now.
Forsooth, when?
Psst, he talks funny. To another time and place. Bye! Bye!
Majesty.
And he made this toilet for, you know. And the water flushed it away, like the waterfall, washing Morc's boat down the river. The higher up the water starts, the stronger it is to flush things away at the bottom.
Well, you know what I always say.
Nature
has all the answers.
I can't believe it. You got your picnic basket back from the water sprites.
And those sprites haven't let us catch one fish.